So welcome back standard 8. We are in exercise 2.2. Question number 4 and question number 5 was remaining that we are going to complete. Line A parallel line B. This is line A. This is line B, and this line L is their transversal. So this angle is given 105 degree. So we have to find this X, this Y, and this Z. These angles we have to find X, Y, Z from the information in figure. From the information in the figure. Given in the figure. So how to do this? We know that this is the transversal, this line L is the transversal, line A parallel line B, this is the transversal. Now see this angle and this angle, they are at the same position. This is above, this is also above. This way, this way. So 105 and this X are at the same position. They are called as the corresponding angles. That's why we can write solution. Line A parallel line B and line L is the transversal. Therefore, angle X, you can write major angle X is equal to 105 degree. Reason is what? Corresponding angles. This reason is important. Now, X and Y, they are vertically opposite angles. What is that vertically opposite angle? Just see this. This is the vertex. This angle and this angle, they are exactly opposite at the vertex. This angle and this angle, they are also opposite. This is this side, that is on that side. So, this way, these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. See about this X and Y. See this way and this way. So this angle and this angle, they are exactly opposite to each other. Therefore, they are also equal. So major angle Y is equal to major angle X. Reason, vertically opposite angles. VOA means vertically opposite angles. I am writing, you will not write like this. Therefore, major angle Y is equal to X is how much? X is 105. So this will be also 105 degree. Now X is over, Y is over. About Z, see this. On this line, these are the two angles. This way, this is the line, this A line. On this there are these two angles. This angle is 105 degree. This angle is Z degree. On this line, if such angles are there, this plus this is equal to 180 degrees. See, I will show here it this way. And it is this way. This is 105 degree. This is Z angle. There some will be 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? See, suppose I am putting the protractor like this way, matching the center here. Here it is 90 here it is 0, and here the marking will be 180 degree. So from here to here it is 180 degree. So out of that this is 105. So this plus this is equal to 180 degree. This plus this. So here also this plus this is equal to 180 degree. Means this plus this is equal to 180 degree. They are called as the linear pair angles. On the line, if two angles are formed, they are called as the linear pair angle. Angle Z plus 105 degree is equal to total sum is 180 degree. See this. This plus this is equal to 180 degree. Why? They are the linear pair angles. Means on the same line, two angles are formed. The reason is linear pair angles. LPA means linear pair angles. You don't write like this. You write in the full form. Therefore, major angle Z is equal to 180 degree. This plus will go on that side and it will become minus 105 degree. You know this, how to solve this. Shift this on that side, it will become minus. Therefore, major angle Z is equal to 75 degree. So, answer you have to write major angle X equal to, major angle Y equal to, and major angle Z equal to. That answer you will write. I am not going to write. So, hope that you have understood this question. We'll go for the fifth question. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take the screenshot. I am rubbing this. So, question number 5 we will take. Question 5. In the given figure, line PL line P parallel line L parallel line Q. Find angle X from the figure. Find X. So the figure is like this. It is the figure like this. These are the three lines, P, L and Q line. There is taken one point like this. This is line like this. This is 40 degree. This is X, this much. This X we have to find. Okay. This is 30 degree. This is 40 degree. From this information, we have to find these angles. Solution. If this is 40, then this much is also 40. If this is 30, this much is also 30, because they are alternate angles. Let we call this angle as say suppose A, this angle as B. So see this, consider only these two lines. This way. This is line P, this is line L, and this way it is the transversal. This is 40 degree. See that this is on this side, this is on this side, this is below, this is above. So these are known as the alternate angles. Alternate angles are one is below, one is above on the opposite sides of this transversal. This way it is. If this is 40, then this is also 40 degree. Means A angle which we have considered, that is also 40 degree. Now come here like this. Join it here. Now suppose this is given 30 degree and this angle is suppose B. See this also, this is on this side, this is on this side. So this will be also 30 degree. But we want this total angle, this angle. This will be 40 plus 30 means 70 degree. So what is this angle? 70 degree. Hope that you have understood this. But how to write it, how to solve it, that is important. Line P parallel line L. We will give the name. This is line AB. This is line BC. AB is the and AB is the transversal. This we have assumed. Though they have not given, we will assume that this is AB and this is BC. As shown in the figure, angle A equal to 40 degree. Reason, alternate angles. This part is over. Now we will consider these two. L parallel Q, and this is the transversal. So this B and this will be same. Now, what is now? Line L parallel line Q, and BC is the transversal. Transversal means the line cutting to these two lines. Therefore, angle B equal to, you can write major angle, here also you can write major angle, or angle A, angle B, both the things are same, equal to 30 degree. Reason, alternate angles. You have understood what is meant by alternate angles. Now we have to find angle X. Angle X equal to angle A plus angle B. Therefore, angle X equal to angle A is 40 degree plus angle B is 30 degree. 30 degree. Therefore, angle X is equal to 70 degree. And this is what they have asked. So hope that you have understood this. If you don't understand, repeat the videos once again. See it twice, thrice, and you will understand it. Bye till then.